Hey gamers, welcome back to Creative Gamerz. Today I'm showing you something absolutely unbelievable. The world's most compressed GTA 5 build, packed into just 15 GB and fully playable on mobile. Yes, you heard that right. This version literally released yesterday, and even though it's incredibly small, it actually works surprisingly well. But here's the twist. It doesn't run properly on GameHub, so we're using the newly updated Winlator Bionic 2.7.2, which gives the best performance for this build. In this video, I'll show you the full setup, best settings, and real performance of this 15 GB GTA 5 version on mobile. Let's get started. First, launch Winlator. The app will ask for storage permission, so make sure to allow it. After that, Winlator will start its data initialization process. Once that's done, open the settings panel. Here, set the Box 64 preset to performance preset, then set the FX Core preset to performance mode as well. Scroll down a little and slide the cursor speed all the way to full. Leave every other setting exactly as it is. Now let's create the container where GTA 5 will run. Tap on plus icon to create the container, and the first setting you'll see is screen resolution. Choose the one that fits your device best. 1280 into 720 is perfect for most modern phones, while 960 into 544 is recommended for low-end devices. Next, open the graphics driver settings. If you have a Snapdragon device, select the Turnip GPU driver. If you're using Mediatek or Mali, choose the system driver instead. After that, move to the DX driver section and select DXVK plus VKD3D. Open the settings icon next to it and choose DXVK version 2.3.1 for Snapdragon devices, or 1.10.3 if you're on Mali or Mediatek. Scroll down a bit further and enable Show FPS so you can monitor the performance while playing. Next, open the environment variables section. At the bottom, you'll see two options that display unnecessary debug information on the screen. Remove these last two entries so your gameplay view stays clean. After that, go into advanced settings. Keep the Box 64 version at the default 0.3.7. Set the Box 64 preset to performance. Change the startup selection to aggressive and enable all processor affinity options. These settings allow Winlator to use every CPU core. Once everything is set, save your container. Your optimized container is now ready. Now open the container you created and switch Winlator to full screen mode for the best experience. Next, locate your 15 GB GTA 5 folder, open the GTA data folder, and double tap the playgta.exe file. The game will take quite a long time to launch on the first try, so don't panic. To make sure it's actually loading, open the Winlator Task Manager. If you see around 200 MB of memory being used, that means the game is processing in the background. Just wait patiently. After a few minutes, the game will finally start, but it will appear in a smaller window. This is normal because the developer removed the startup sound and several other elements to shrink the overall file size. I've also added my custom control layout, which works great for mobile gameplay. Once the initial loading finishes, you'll finally reach the game. Now you need to fix the full screen issue. Once you're inside the game, open the settings menu and go to the graphics tab. Change your screen resolution to full screen, then press the space button to save it and enter to confirm. The game will probably close, and that's completely normal. Just restart it using the same method as before. After it loads again, you might still see the Windows bar at the top. To remove it completely, open the settings one more time, select full screen again, and save it. This time, the game will not close, and now you'll finally have full screen gameplay with no borders. On my device, this extremely compressed 15 GB build runs surprisingly well, staying around 55 to 60 FPS, which is impressive considering how small the game has been reduced. But because it's only 15 GB, many things had to be removed to make the file size this tiny. You won't see high-quality textures, grass, certain map locations, missions, music, or some environmental objects. The core map is still there, and the game is definitely playable, but it's not designed to give you the full GTA 5 experience. This version is mainly for people who want to explore the world, test GTA 5 on a phone with very limited storage, or just see how far mobile emulation has come. It's especially useful for low-end and mid-range devices, as long as you have at least 6 GB RAM for stable performance. But if you want proper graphics, full missions, all characters, all sounds, and the real experience of GTA 5, then I strongly suggest going for the 60 GB version, which offers much higher quality and a more complete game. And that wraps up the full setup for the world's most compressed 15 GB GTA 5 version on mobile. I hope this guide helped you understand how it works and what to expect from it. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative, gamers.